Hello guys, today I'm playing this game that you have to kill these anomalies. And I'm playing with my mom and my tita. Oh no. Kill you monster. Let's go. Hey. What was that?
Hindi siya more. Literal na monster siya. Sinabihan ko pa. Ayan mo.
If you wanna play this game, yeah, you're gonna have to search this. Only if you want to. Oh my gosh! Eh,
Oh my God. Alright.
aha! Yes! Hello. It's that monster again. It's that tall monster.
Teka lang.
Ah!
Bakit wala akong kasama? Gusto ano mali kasama ko?
I think that is just a morphs.
Ganun. Ay, nice. Wala kayo ng
Ha!
So, mag-airport. Mag-airport dito, ya.
Oh, shoot.
Yung jersey ko sa kanya mamaya. Yes, pwede mo yung jersey.
Ha! Hey, Nanay, can we play another game? I'm getting bored.
Sino gusto ng halo-halo?
Me!
Me!
Oh, halo-halo. Bumili kayo.
Lead na ako.
Hey, it let me join back.
Hi!
Let's play another game. What about Brickle Bones? Brickle Bones, join me.
Yan. Alam ko, panda mas mura.
Yung andis to guys.
Anong andis?
Yung sabi ko sa yung
What do you mean that girl?
Yes, yun.
Hindi na siya barado, pero dire-diretso na siya. Nis.
Where are you guys?
Food panda ba yung hindi? Wala sa food panda.
Hello guys, are you guys here? Join me. Did you already
Hindi
join me?
manong.
Did you guys already join me?
Alam mo.
Hindi masarap yun. Natikman ko na yun eh. Nanaginip ako. Masarap yun. Masarap yung halo-halo ng inasal. Manong?
Bakal yun. Bayo.
Oh, bastika. Bastika.
Meron sa pagkanta?
Andiyan. Marami sa dyan.
Where are you guys? Did you join me?
Wala.
Did you join me?
Wait lang. Order lang ng halo-halo.
Okay, Vikita, join me.
Sagurin ko lang sa dito, Raya.
Okay, then I just have to play it all by my own.
Manong.
Ay, gumana. Ayan lang. Ay, andyan yun.
Okay.
Wala namang pan dito eh. Isat ba yun?
Why do you have so many money?
Ha?
Why do you have so many?
So many
Ayun
money.
lang ay.
this one.
Special halo-halo. Walang picture.
I have so many money
Masarap
because
ba
I
yun?
played this game.
Yung damano.
Look,
Yun yung binili niya sa yung nakaraan.
you might think this is a common
Ako yung
car.
malaki.
Can you go
Ay, hindi ko
first,
tikman yun.
Big
Si
Tita?
Mama, balisak ko yun.
You can go first, Big Tita.
Masarap ba?
Big Tita.
I'm trying.
Mas masarap sa Nissan.
Look how fast I go.
Pwede na rin. You're too fast.
Anong
Kaya
flavor?
parehas
Yeah, look
lang.
at this.
Mas marami Saudi.
Well,
Ba't wala kang, hindi ka nakalagin dito?
Dito ako nagawa ko.
Hindi ka pa ba gumagawa? Ako ba't pa naglaro ko?
Hindi pa.
Meow, meow, meow. Ayan.
Sa ito sa Binavista?
Hindi. May batalyon tayo. Sa Visoria.
Teka, layo
Big
naman.
Tita, you're so slow. Where are you right now? There's so many people. You know what? I gotta
Gusto na.
take a peek of you. So I just gotta go to a common car that is faster than yours.
Ano tanggalin yung mga nasa screen?
Sa?
Yung nasa screen.
Can I see?
This one. This one.
Wala talaga.
Wala, ang daming emirate.
I need to see you.
Ito, 18 pesos. Extra creamy halo-halo.
So I'm
Nasaan?
Oh,
dance.
Ilan? Tatlo?
The
Apat?
oil is exhausted, sabi niya. Yes, manikip pa Are you sure you're the fastest? Of course, not. Of course, I have to check car. Speakers. You'll see how fast I go when I do this. I am so faster than everyone else. Girls,
Ah!
so even Michael Jackson cannot even compete to me. Where are you guys? Where are you? Where are you?
hindi ito sa shop.
The shop? What?
Ah, I don't have money to buy.
The shop? You don't have any money. Look at
Ayun na,
my.
this one.
Look at.
This is me.
This is me.
Me.
You might think this is a common car, but this is absolutely the mythic car. Let's see how fast you go this time. Move.
May I see?
Okay.
Ay, hindi ko na nakita. Pero I saw your name. Your icon pa.
Wait. You mean my icon in this? I'm going super duper ultra mega down fast. Even Michael Jackson cannot compete to me.
Bakit parang si Michael Jackson?
Michael Jackson is literally here. He might think he's the fastest, but I'm still the fastest. Someone is almost at the end, but I beat them in the last second. La la la.
Ayaw, kaya taking another photo ko na.
Why is it just for nothing? I'm just gonna delete this. And finally, I have so much money. This is just come up.
Let's tatay.
Wait. Are you playing in Tatay's account?
Yung creating his... Ano pangalan mo siya? ELLEEU.
Nana, you should name Tatay's account Lily. Just kidding.
Not totoo. Wala naman.
Just do the katonton, please. I want katonton. I want katonton, please. I want katonton. Name Tatay's account katonton.
Ay, na-create ko. Supremo.
Tatay, which name do you like? Supremo or katonton? Oh, I forgot. This game is absolutely boring, pala. You just have to pray. But I already completed the game. So let's just play another game. Sorry.
Oo, anak. Alam ko.
Are you sure about that? Are you sure? Look at me. Look at me.
Look at me. Yan pa. Lalo yung subutan ko eh. Wow! You estimated your age is 21, feeling.
21? What do you mean 21?
Feeling.
Is Tatay that
Di mo
young?
matanggap? Napangako mo naman. Ano yun? Right.
Okay, join me na. Join me na.
Lang,
480 lang. 500 yung pagkakas.
Wow, cute!
Hindi na pogi.
So cute!
Bakit to?
Go to the
Anong email nilagay mo?
Si Dete Susan.
Good, good. So cute! Can you just please join me?
Yeah, sarap.
Come on, I'm waiting, Big Tita.
I'm faster.
Ito, sign up plugin.
Wow, look at mine.
I'm so fast.
Nanay, look at Big Tita, look at mine. This looks cool. It's a robot.
Ano, nagawin ko nito? Username?
Papa, pop. Hello, I am the
Ano yung cat robot? 2 Robux lang siya. Bilhin ko kaya. May 31.
stand. Just stand. And I can... Big Tita, can you just join me? I'm just
Ang hangin eh.
very bored
Kumukunti lang
alone.
maayos yung buhok niya eh.
I'm just very
Isipan
bored
natin kita.
alone.
Ponytail kita. Magkakaparehas kayo.
Pap,
Sa laban niya.
Add friends. Ay, sige. Supremo.
wait, so...
Tatlong O, tatlong 0. Ayaw eh. May Supremo na kasi eh.
Ang pagkis dapat nilagay mo ah.
Total.
Kotonton!
Nagulat pa ako.
Accept ko si tatay.
Okay.
Meron yung tropa ni Vanessa, kalaro ko dito.
Just leave.
Sa
Ano
Roblox.
nagkarga ng tubig?
Ay, nandito.
Ano? Paparefill din tubig niya mo eh. Wala naman.
Tapos ano, pangalan niya kasi Janus. Eh, naglalagay ako ng mga nickname dito. Ayaw tanggapin yung Janus. Wala, 14% na lang ako. Oh.
Where's the power bank? Nana, where's the power bank for Big Tita?